Hey, good morning, traders. Welcome back to another WB trading session. I am your host, Mike, aka FX Dinero, a certified full-time professional trader, guys, managing over $1 million portfolio, which of course can be verified on the website here, which I will get into in a moment. Let me fix my camera just a bit for you guys. Sweet. Right. Other than that, guys, if you have not been paying attention, please like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what we're doing great so we can keep it up. Let us know what we suck at so we can actually improve in that area. And if you get any value out of today's lesson, guys, please subscribe as well. It helps us out with the whole YouTube algorithm thing. Again, only if you found some value out of today's lesson, right? But yeah, guys, if you haven't been paying attention or have been watching WB Trading, we are a live educational trading company, guys, with over a decade of experience. So we've been around for over 10 years, and pretty much everyone knows us for getting and keeping our traders profitable. Right, actually, over 80% of the traders that we have trained, we have been able to help get them profitable and keep them profitable. Right. We do that through a plethora of different ways, mainly a trifecta, right? Our strategy, which we'll get into here in a second, our software, which we'll get into in a second, and of course, our support, right? So again, guys, if you find any value in this, let us know. That will be greatly appreciated. Right, so jumping right into the charts here. Just wanted to, I'll go ahead and share my screen. It's been a rough few days with all of these markets going absolutely nuts. So just sharing the screen here. Obviously, a trader asked me this the other day. Yes. So just wanted to show that briefly. And again, guys, if you have any questions, let me know, please. And cool. So we just got our alert here right 2 minutes ago, right? So we got our daily setup. We got the inputs here. And then let's kind of do some comparisons, right? So our overnight high on GU is 28.69, right, guys? So let's do that comparison. 28.68 was 28.69, basically the exact same thing. And then let's check out that low. That low looks like 27.87, right? So check that out as well. 27.87. This one's a little off. Looks more like 82. Not a big difference though. So cool, close enough on those. So let's let the group know. This is a little tight, guys. I'm not sure how this is going to play out. As you can see, the bot has not taken any trades since the seconds. So the market has been absolutely crazy, guys. And we are flat right now, right? So nothing right as of now, but I do want to let the group know and say, hey, good morning. GU is on the line of yes or no, so be careful, right? So let's just be careful with GU, and then GJ, of course, we can all mark up together, right? So marking up GJ, we'll start this out here. Let's back it on up to here and to here. And then we'll mark this low over here, which is about right there. Let's make this one red. You guys already know. Let's make this high over here. Let's make this green. And then let's check out this daily range. You guys see how fast I do this? This is how easy and mechanical the strategy is, right? Like super simple to really do in real time. And this looks like, whoa, okay, so good. And I'm not sure if this is good or bad. So it looks like 250 pips, right? 250 pip range. So let's mark that on up. Let's see if this is good or bad. 250. Oh yeah, see, this is pretty short, right? 250 is there. Nuts. They have been nuts lately. Oh, let's measure this one again. That was a little close. 250 will be about here. Okay, let's scoot this down a bit. And then let's measure this one more time because that kind of threw me off. 250 would be about, yeah, about there. All right, cool. So we'll make this one yellow so we can differentiate the two lines. And then we'll do one more measuring to the low, right? 250 is about right there, right on the dot, really. And boom, which this again, guys, looks pretty freaking tight. So yeah, it looks like another no trading day on these two guys. The market's ranges are just all over the place. I'm sure you guys seen the news yesterday. Let me tell everyone about GJ really quick. Morning. We got any questions over here? Okay, hey Mike, for on low, it's 173 or no? Hey, right, it's the low of are you meaning GU or GJ? I'm guessing you're meaning GJ. I mean GU 2793. So just so you know, remember, you can always go to the Telegram alert channel, right? And then check out you're asking about on the low. So 2793, yeah. So on the low side, right, it's 2787. I'm sorry, 2787. So on GU, the low is 2787 on the buy, and then hang on. Let me put this in here really quick. All right, GU looks to be a pass for today. All right, cool. So GU for me on this one is the low is, for me, it looks like it's 2811. So about 7 pips off, really. Right. 2787, and then 27, yeah, like 80. Whoa, hold on a second. Whoa. What's happening here? GU 2787, right? And then, that's interesting. Yeah, my low says 2811. 87 would be pretty high, right? Yeah, overnight low is 2787 on here. This is GU. Just double check this. This is weird. And then, yeah, 2811. That's strange. Why would it say 87? Yeah, 87 will be all the way up here. Yeah, that's so interesting. Why would it say that? Overnight node 2787. Yeah, that's a big one. Yeah, for GU. Interesting to say the least. The 2793. I hit the low at 21 of the last night. Yeah, so for me, I'm Eastern time, so it'd be 17. Yeah, that's interesting. I'm a little thrown off now. 28.10 or 28.11. That's what it should be. And then the high, which is interesting because you got the high right. Yeah, strange. I agree. We'll have to check into that. The high it says is 28.69, which is that one's spot on. I think that's a glitch or something. It should say 28.11, right? So just take note of that, guys. The high should be 28.70, right? On GU is 1.2870, and then the low is 28.11, right? So make sure you just take note of that. I'm not sure why it says it's 27.87. Strange. All right, cool. So take note of that, guys. Where are we? GJ. Yeah, we did GU and GJ. So cool. Just make sure you guys are careful both of these pairs today. They are not the best, not the worst. Right on GU and on GJ. Actually, GJ is a pass. Yeah, GJ is going to be a pass. So, yeah, guys, another slow day with the session momentum. I'm sure you guys seen yesterday they had all of the crazy news at the end of the day where Trump is basically saying, hey, we're going to put a pause on the tariffs for the next 90 days. So they got the markets jumped up 9.2%, I want to say, almost 5.2, almost 10% yesterday at the end of the day. Super crazy stuff. So yeah, guys, as I always say, be careful out here with these markets. Okay, it's insane. But yeah, guys. Other than that, that is pretty much it. I will jump off here. As always, I will drop the links for everything, guys, in the pro community. If you want to jump into the pro community right away, you can get access to all of this stuff. That link will be in the description. The free the free Discord group, if you guys want to check that out as well. I will be dropping that in the link also. And yeah, guys, be safe out there. As I keep mentioning, manage your risk properly, be safe. Don't do anything crazy out there. All right. This is all over the place. So other than that, guys, you stay safe and we will catch you on the next one.